Good
Goedendag.
morning, beautiful people. So Diven and me, we checked out of our hostel. That's why we are having a backpack, because we cannot leave it in a hostel. It's like €2 per hour. We are going.
To spend some time in the park before
two
the check into the
check-ins.
other hostel.
It's a cold day. It's 14 degrees. It's a very active park. Oh, the name of this park is, you can say it?
I don't know.
Vondelpark.
Wonderpark.
Vondel.
Wonder.
Yes. So it's very big park actually. I think it's maybe 3 kilometers in length. So let's see where we get. Ta-da!
Time for picnic in the park.
Diven and me found a beautiful spot. Church on the background. In the front we have a lake. And
pond.
this is what we bought like 2 days before.
Some meat, cheese.
Butter. And a very big bread.
Yeah, it's a picnic, winter picnic.
It's a winter picnic.
Yes. Brrr. All right, let's eat something so that it heats us up.
Yeah, smart. The sun broke through. Are we happy or are we happy?
Happy.
Yes. Now, Diven told me something. You finally appreciate the sun.
Oh yes.
He didn't appreciate it in India because it was too hot.
Took it for granted for sure. Yeah.
And now he finally figured out why we Western people need the sun. Because it's so cold otherwise.
I get you now.
Every time I see sun, I'm like, oh, I want to sit there. And Diven wants to crawl inside.
And it's so rare. I think by the time we finish this recording, it's going to go again within the next few seconds.
No, the cloud is slowly moving in.
Yeah.
Diven and me just checked in our luggage, so we don't need to walk around.
With the luggage on? Yeah.
And now we are going to Jordaan. First stop is
Anne Frank.
Anne Frank.
Not exactly the museum, but I think the area around it is also, there's a lot of things to do there.
Yeah, it's mostly to see the building and to see, because if you want to see Anne Frank, you need to reserve it in advance. You can just not go there and hope for tickets. We can check it, but I don't think we will be able to go inside. That's what I heard. And it's a nice neighborhood. Lots of water, bridges, cute little houses. Yes, I'm excited. This is where we're gonna order fries.
Oh, there? Oh.
One medium, please.
Right. Would you like anything on top? Cheese
With
or
the
sauce?
mayo, right?
You want sauce? Which sauces are there?
Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise, yeah.
And also cheese or no cheese?
No cheese. You want cheese? Yeah, no cheese. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. If you wait outside, I'll call you when it's ready, yeah?
All right,
Thank you so
yeah.
much.
We just ordered from Fabel Friet.
Yes, we did.
Yes. Should be very good fries. There's a long queue.
Let's see. Let's wait and watch.
Let's wait and watch. You got it?
Yeah.
This is the fries.
Yeah. Taste us. Yeah. Good. Very nice.
It's not even a lunch. It's our
Snack.
11 o'clock snack. Yes. So we got this for €4.
Yeah. The place just looked good.
Yeah.
There's a huge crowd, or a little bit of a crowd queuing up. Inside it was pretty cool.
We were there
The work is-
yesterday.
You were there yesterday and it was closed, right? At night?
Yeah.
So we don't know when we'll pass it again. So like we're here, let us taste it.
The church. Onze Lieve Vrouwenkerk. Cheese places. Let's go inside. Come. Oh, it's really the smallest shop.
Begins and ends there. Yeah. Really small.
But this is from Amsterdam. Or here.
Ah, that's good, huh?
Hmm.
I'll take this one.
You want to know how much it is?
Yes.
I think it's a wall piece. Sorry, hoeveel kost deze? 19 euros.
But is it that artwork which is famous here, or what do you call it?
I,
Delft or
it
something?
says Delft Blue
Ah, yeah.
on the back.
You can ask if it's authentic or not.
Yeah, is it authentic
Delft.
Delft Blue? Ah, yes. I think if it's on the back, it's authentic. We are here
Trying to find some Delft.
trying to find some depth, and I really like these houses. Look how cute. So we found a super cute cheese shop.
It's a
with
cheese museum.
The museum is downstairs.
Oh, okay.
So we can do some cheese tasting here.
Yeah.
And they have the information. It's interesting. We found this cheese museum. It's a little smart thing from these shopkeepers to learn a little bit about cheese. And then you probably buy some cheese.
I'm gonna buy some cheese.
Yeah.
They were delicious. So
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna buy some.
Yeah, they have tasters.
And they're vacuum packed, so you can take it with you even. Yeah, you can take it with you for 3 months. Keep it outside, I mean. And if it's refrigerated, then you can keep it forever. So, and once it's open, it's still good for 3 weeks. He said, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I can take it on my flight to India, no problems.
Yeah, we can check which ones you like. We can try buy here already, or we can do some other cheese houses.
Okay. Yeah.
We went to the museum inside, and what we learned is you need to put in a stremsol. It's Reinhardt. It's some enzymes who separate the milky part from the cheesy part. Then the cutting part, which means you need to go through the cheese more times, so more water drains out. Then you need to put it in a ton to get the shape, and to also press more water out. Afterwards, you need to put it in a salt bed for a few days, turn it around because it's gonna float. It's 80% salt, and it also makes sure that there's no mold growing. And then the last part is the aging process. It can be for 2 months or for 8 years. The aging process where it comes into contact with the space, where enzymes and bacteria give it a certain taste. And that aging process is the most important for the taste. That's why they say old cheeses are much more tasty, have much more taste than young cheeses. We are in the Karthuizerhof. It's public during daytime. This is where people actually live.
Yeah. Give us the history of this place.
It's since 1615 built or something, and it's one of the largest courtyards in Amsterdam. That's what I have. It's here, the history part. It's in Dutch. We are in a super nice neighborhood in the Jordaan. And one of the places you should do is this Lindenstraat. They say it's very pretty because this house because of the ivory. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Let's go.
So, Enia, what do you think those hooks are for? I see them a lot on top of the buildings.
It's on every building. I just think it's an old thing to get up.
Really? You think it extends all the way down to the bottom?
Yeah, because look how small the doors are, how small the houses are. So if you want to get anything in there, you just take the hook, you put it up, and then you can get it through the window. Hello, so our next stop is Winkel
43. It has the best apple pie in town.
Yes.
So we're here and we ordered us apple pie with cream.
And some coffee because we want
Yes.
some coffee.
Coffee and dessert is always a good combination. Winkel 43. We got the outdoor seating and that's it. We'll be back when our food is here.
Yes. The famous apple pie with cream.
And the coffee comes with the biggest cookie ever. Right?
This is the cookie.
Oh, this is not the coffee. This is the apple tart.
Yes.
I thought this was the apple tart. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna dig in.
Yes, taste for you.
Very nice. Not too sweet.
People should come here.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Mhm.
If you like apple tart, for sure.
It's very close to where we eat it. We eat it there at that church, and it is called the Prinsessengracht. And if you look on blogs, it all says this is the best spot to take a picture.
Yeah, we did that.
We did that.
Plenty of pictures. And yeah.
Pretty buildings. Yes, and now we are gonna go to the station where behind the station, it's like a train station, there is the coming and going from the, how you call it, the boats. So we can take a free ferry to the other side.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna try now.
Yes.
Yes, let's go.
That's where we are gonna leave it for now, but there is a lot more waiting on the other side. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.